Superfans is an app that helps turn your Shopify store into a high-converting native mobile app, allowing your customers to shop easily from their phones. In this video, we'll show you how to integrate BOGOS with Superfans to run gift offers directly on your mobile app. Before we begin, make sure you have both apps installed on your Shopify store. Then, we can move on to the setup, because gift offers only work on the mobile app when the gift mechanism is set to gift clone. To do that, go to BOGOS Arrow Settings, find Gift Logic Mechanism, then select Clone Product. Now let's create a new gift offer or configure an existing one based on your promotion strategy. If you want the gift to be added to the cart automatically for this offer, tick Automatically Add All Gifts. Then go back to Settings, scroll down to the Gift Condition section, and tick this box to enable the Auto Add Gift to Cart function. Once enabled, the gift will be automatically added to the cart when customers meet the promotion conditions. And please note that gift offers running on the mobile app cannot be combined with other subconditions. Next step, we need to make sure your gift products are available on the Superfans sales channel. In Shopify, go to Products. Select all the gift products used in your BOGOS offers, then right-click the three-dot menu and choose Include in Sales Channels. Select Superfans and click Include Products. This ensures the gift items can be included in your mobile app. Next, we'll set up the BOGOS integration inside Superfans. Open the Superfans app, then go to the Plugins section. Look for BOGOS in the plugin list. Click View Details, or simply enable the toggle switch. Then, you'll need to enter your BOGOS API key here. To get this key, please contact BOGOS support team directly from within the app. They'll provide it for you. Once you've entered the key, click Save and Enable Plugin. Now, we need to add the BOGOS blocks to your mobile app theme. In Superfans, go to the Themes section and open your store theme. Next, open the cart page, click Add Block, then choose Plugin. Now add the following blocks to allow gift offers to appear and function properly inside your mobile app cart. The BOGOS Gift Slider block allows gift offers to appear in the gift slider within the mobile app cart. The BOGOS Core block enables automatic gift functionality, adding gifts to the mobile app cart when the offer conditions are met. You can also create exclusive gift offers that only appear on the mobile app. This means customers will only see the promotion when shopping through your Superfans mobile app. To set this up, open the BOGOS app, create a new offer or edit an existing one, add an offer subcondition, then select Mobile App Channel. Finally, click Publish. Manage gift inventory on mobile app. The gift inventory will follow the configuration in your settings. For the gift clone mechanism, you'll see two options here. The first option is sync clone products quantity with originals automatically. With this setting, the gift quantity in mobile app will stay synchronized with the original product's inventory. The second option is input gift product inventory manually. This allows you to manage the gift quantity separately from the original product. Simply choose the option that works best for your business needs. And that's it. You've successfully integrated BOGOS with Superfans and run gift offers for your mobile app. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below.